Freshmentors.
Hello, my name is Guadalupe. I'm a mentor in the Freshmentors.com. I'm also a student at MIT, and I want to give you some advice when taking the SAT and ACT. For both of them, I think the best advice I can give you is to practice. Take as many practice tests as you can and as soon as you can, but not just take them, check them, and redo them. You'll find out that the second time you take them, you learn the most. So yeah, that's the advice for both of them. But now let's get into more detail for the SAT reading portion. For this one, I'll advise you to look up a list of vocabulary words in the internet. Just type in list of vocabulary words for the SAT, and you'll find like 1,000 words that are really helpful. And if you go over them and understand them and study them before the test, you'll find out that there's actually not a word that they can put on the test that you don't understand. So that was really helpful for me, especially English is not my first language, and I did pretty decently because of that. So yeah, that's my advice. For the math portion, the practice test should be really helpful. Ask any teacher if you don't understand why you got a question wrong on one of your practice tests. And the same advice I would give you for writing as well. Go to your teachers, ask them. They are the best resource you can have. And also for the writing, I advise you to go to also the internet and just look up like grammar rules for the SAT. And there's like, I think, a list of 8 rules that you can find that are really useful. And they repeat the same questions over and over again throughout the test. So if you get it once, you should be able to get it like every other time you take a test. So practice again. And then for the ACT, it's basically the same thing for the math, English, and reading. But now for the science, just make sure that you know how to read really fast and understand the things that you read at once, that you don't have to go back and read the same paragraph 3 times to get it, because as you know, science is more like speed reading for the ACT. So yes, make sure that you know how to work under pressure and that you do not have to recheck your work to get it right the first time. And then for the SAT subject test, if you're planning to take some of that, if you prepare for the AP, for example, for SAT subject physics, if you prepare for the physics, I think it's 1 or 2, I don't remember. But yeah, if you prepare for any physics, you should be ready for the SAT subject test. As well for math level 2, if you take calculus AB or BC, it doesn't matter. Both of them are really helpful when preparing for the SAT subject test. So yes, that's my advice. I hope to hear from you in the Fresh Mentor side, and yes, have a great day.